So this simulation is for kart racing for Simulation Friday on Twitter. So we start with a cart, shopping cart, and basically we want to analyze it in Stallion 3D using CFD. Of course, if you have this cart and you take it to the racetrack, they might laugh at you. So what we have to do is to add some enhancements. So we use the built-in wing analysis tool in Stallion 3D, and we can add, for example, a front wing to the cart, and this will make it a little bit more aerodynamic, and it will make it a little bit more attractive. So we can place this wing close to the ground in front of the cart, and this would enhance not only the stability, it would add some downforce close to the front tires, especially if you're going to drive this thing at more than probably 200 miles an hour. So the next thing we have to add, to be a little bit more serious, again, is probably add a rear wing. And again, we will need to go to the tool in Stallion 3D and add a rear wing, and we can use the same tool. We click, and the tool allows you to size the wing, and also to place set the airfoil shapes, and basically that's all we need to do. And of course we might also need to set this wing at some angle, so we're choosing an angle of negative 20 degrees, and then we place it on the card. We can move it around in the interface, make sure that it fits correctly, and also we could tweak it a bit to get the optimal downforce from this cart. And basically, once we have done all of this, we need to analyze it, so we can tweak some of the positions of the airfoils, the wings, and make sure we have a winning chance when we go to race our cart. So the program allows you to place the wings, look at the positions, be sure you're satisfied with where they're located. Once we have that done, we simply can now analyze the vehicle in Stallion 3D, and it's very simple to do. The program has automatic grid generation. Here we're using a very small grid just for demonstration purposes, and then basically we click the menu and the program will automatically grid. And now after a few minutes, for this case, we have a solution. We are looking at the streamlines past the cart. You see the automatic Cartesian grid captures the features of the geometry and the flow field around that geometry. We can add some more streamlines and see what the flow is doing close to the edge of the wing. And basically, with automatic grid generation, we essentially do not have to worry about the complexity of the geometry, and the program will essentially capture all the flow features, and we can tell the downforce of the of this cart with a K as it races around the track. This is Dr. Hanley at Hanley Innovations. If you have any questions, please visit our website, www.hanleyinnovations.com.